How to make your home cozy for fall. The fall season is upon us, and with the weather cooling down, it's the perfect time to start making adjustments to your home. Turning your space into a cozy retreat will make those crisp autumn evenings even more enjoyable. Here's how to create a snug and inviting atmosphere for the fall season. Embrace the warmth. As temperatures drop, it's essential to make your home feel warm and welcoming. Start by layering your space with cozy textures. Think soft throws, plush pillows, and flannel blankets. These additions not only provide physical warmth, but also help create a comforting atmosphere that's perfect for fall evenings. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Replace harsh, bright lights with softer, warmer alternatives. Adding string lights or candles can provide a gentle, inviting glow. If you have a fireplace, light a crackling fire to add both warmth and a touch of autumn magic to your space. Fall scents and flavors. Autumn is all about rich, comforting scents. Enhance your home's fall vibe by incorporating candles or essential oils with fragrances like cinnamon, pumpkin spice, or apple cider. To add a delicious touch, bake fall treats such as apple pie or pumpkin bread. The delightful aromas will fill your home and boost the seasonal ambience. Give your decor a seasonal refresh with fall-themed accents. Add decorations like pumpkins, dried leaves, or cozy rugs to bring the beauty of autumn indoors. This simple update can transform your space and make it feel festive without requiring a complete overhaul. Comfort food at the ready. Stock up on ingredients for your favorite comfort foods. Whether it's homemade soup, chili, or a hearty casserole, having these meals on hand will make it easy to enjoy a cozy night in. Consider preparing some meals in advance so you can quickly warm them up on chilly evenings. Designate a special spot in your home for relaxation. It could be a reading nook with a comfy chair and a good book, or a movie-watching area with blankets and a projector. This cozy nook should be your go-to place for unwinding and fully enjoying the fall season. By following these simple, cozy fall home tips, you can transform your home into a cozy haven that's perfect for fall. Embrace the season and make the most of those chilly autumn days.